Funflix viewers, how are you all? So today I am here with the Fact-O-Pedia part 5. So if you do not know what is my Fact-O-Pedia, it is a series in which I tell 5 facts around every episode. So without any further ado, let's proceed with today's video. So the first fact is all about space. There are more than 6,500 satellites in our space, and to be exact, 6,542. Isn't that really astonishing? The second fact is that 20% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. The third fact is that the hydrochloric acid in our stomach is strong enough to dissolve a stainless steel. Wow, that is really fascinating. The fourth fact is that while all planets orbit the Sun anti-clockwise, Venus is the only one which orbits it clockwise. The last, but definitely not the least fact, our heart beats about 100,000, or as we can say 1 lakh times a day. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also please share this video if you like it. Bye bye, subscribe to Funflix and stay safe.